I'm here with this 2008 Dodge Avenger, and I'm going to be doing the front brakes, pads and rotors on here. So I already took out some of the lug nuts, but you take those loose and then you jack and support the vehicle. So I'm doing now. I'm going to take the wheel off and support it. Okay, now there are the two guide bolts. One here, one there. They take a 14mm socket. I'm going to loosen those. I like to pull the caliper so the piston is compressed. Just a little bit makes it easier for it to slide off of there. And the rubber spacer goes at the bottom. Top one does not have the spacing. Get the caliper to come off. Fan looks good. So I'm going to compress the piston with a C-clamp. With the piston pressed in, I'm going to now take off the caliper bracket. There's 2 bolts. One. This one down here is 2. Let's take a 18mm socket to get off. So I'm going to start off with a breaker bar and get the bolts to turn, and I'll use my ratchet. Okay, with the bracket off, remove the rotor. I'm going to install the new brake parts, the rotor first, and then the caliper bracket. Okay, after getting the rotor with the caliper bracket mounted, install the brake shoes. Brake pads, I mean. And then I'm going to install the caliper and mount the caliper. Okay, I coated each of the guide bolts with new grease. Installing them in hand turning. Then I use a 14mm socket and tighten these guide bolts down. that's the brake repair or replacement of the brake parts. Next I need to do is put the wheel on and set the calipers by pumping the brake pedal. Okay, there it is. The wheel's installed, the caliper is set, and so that's how I do it on front brakes on a 2008 Dodge Avenger. Thanks for watching.